I teach honors biology and anatomy and physiology. You need to get a Z-space computer. We're studying the muscular system, and they're using the vernier probe wear to collect data on their grip strength. So the kids download graphical analysis software, and then they use these probes to collect their own data. They're always more interested if it's about themselves, right? Because it's one thing to look at a video or some sample data or whatever and analyze that, but it's much more fun, much more interesting, and much more relevant if you actually collect your own data and experience doing the activities.
Go.
Come on! It's a little competitive.
Go!
They can really be collecting data just like professionals would. It's just much more fun, much more engaging, and that competition element as well definitely doesn't hurt. Whoa! That's crazy.